Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to be reviewing the 2020 Corvette C8. 5 horsepower. We got the engine here, 405 horsepower. We got a little small trunk in the back right here. You know, if he want to put his hood, he want to drop his top and put the top back here, he could drop the top and put it back here. We also got a backup camera, become standard now in all the cars. We also got the modern lights. The modern lights. Oh my gosh, it's doing dope. What else we got here going on here? Like I already mentioned before, we got them 20-inch black diamond rims. They custom 20-inch black rims because he didn't want the stock rims on there because, you know, he didn't like the way they looked on there. You know, we also got the crispy cockpit. You know, this is the 2020 Stingray. We got the crispy cockpit with the, you know, the square steering wheel. They went less round on them. They got the square steering wheel. We also got the infotainment center, you know, with the all digital display dash there. Let me see. Press it. You hear that? Y'all hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Y'all hear that? You know, 0 to 60 in what? 2 seconds? 2.9. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. You know, it gives you all the information on the dash, of course, that you would in any other car. We also got the parking brake here, the push button parking brake, the rear, you know, the reverse, pull up reverse button. We got the neutral, which is actually a button. We also got the drive pull lever, and we also got the manual button. We also got the
sound quality,
the sound quality, huh? Killer engine. We killed the engine for the sound quality, and we also have the modes. You can change the modes in the sports mode, whatever modes you got. Snow mode.
You got the My mode where you can customize it to your liking.
The My mode.
You got the touring.
The touring mode.
That's more of a chill, laid back mode.
Right.
You got your track.
Your track mode.
When you want to get busy on
the track and dog whoever or dog all the competitors.
Yeah. And then you got your sport mode.
So you got your sport mode. They also put these right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. They also put these emergency releases because, you know, because of the tragedy that happened with the guy that didn't know how to open the door. So they put the, you know, you lift this lever up and it opens the door if the power ever gets killed for whatever reason. And you also got your crispy infotainment center right here. You know, it displays all of your functions right here. Oh, these flies are crazy. So you also got your volume dial right here. You also got the home button right here. Oh, you need the key for that? Oh, the door. Oh, here you go, right here. So you got your different options right here. You got your OnStar, you got your users, you got your audio, you got your phone, you got your Wi-Fi. You know, you got your music, of course. You got your home button here. You also got your My Chevrolet, your marketplace with your Alexa. You know, it's a nice infotainment center. Definitely a step up from the years past. And you also got your heated seats right here, your cool down seats. You can actually cool down the seats in the C8, which is cool. You also got all your other functions right here, your AC, you know, your defrost, your rear defrost, and you also got your passenger buttons right here for your cool and your heated seats. You also got some of the same options over there on the side with your passenger side. You know, you got your unlock lock and you got the button and emergency access at the bottom. You also got 2 cup holders right here. You also got, you know, some storage, a storage compartment right here. And you also can control the volume from your steering wheel. You can control your volume, make calls, you can make your faves, you know. And you also can shift, you know, you got the plus. You got your plus and your minus signs right here. What is this called?
What's that? Shifters, steering wheel shifters.
You also got your steering wheel shifters right here. Your left and your right, you know, your plus and your minus steering wheel shifters right here. You also have, you know, of course, you got your lights and stuff like that. You also got a camera. There's a camera already inside of the rearview mirror, right?
Yeah.
There's a camera inside the rearview mirror. You guys can't see that, but if you
this one isn't equipped with it, but if it was, then you just flick the mirror.
You flick the mirror and then the camera comes on and you can see everything in the rear view from right there. You also got a front. Does this one have a front camera?
Nah.
Okay, this one doesn't have a front camera, but the Chevys, the C8s also come with a front camera. You know, if it was, it'll be right there. You can see it. You can press the button. You also got OnStar, your SOS, and then you got your emergency button right here. And you also have, you know, your of course your mirrors, your two front mirrors. You know, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You got your Bose sound system. Let's not forget the Bose sound system. Inside the C8 is immaculate. It's crispy. You know, it's crispy just like the cockpit. You know. There we go, baby. It's on, baby. I just hit the button, right?
You pull up the reverse tab.
The drive tab?
I mean the drive tab.
And I'm good.
Yeah. Now watch this hill down here. Cause it's this motherfucker on the ground.
Alright.
And the hill a little steep. You wanna bend this right out here.
This thing is butter, baby. Oh, watch it. They do that?
Yeah. Hit that Z on the steering wheel.
Hit the Z?
On the steering wheel.
Oh,
There's a Z. Hit that joint on the steering wheel.
Oh, right there.
Boom.
What's that?
All right, then you're in full effect.
Hit the right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely You ain't got to worry about it. It's the $100,000. I'll wait till that shit clear. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. This thing powerful, baby. See that power, baby? Sheesh. This thing, it go hard. It go harder than paint, baby.
Yeah.
You gonna paint it right here, right?
Yeah.
This joint, you wanna go more? It's like, you gonna go, sheesh. So we banging this right?
Yeah, we want to bang that.
Yeah, this thing is butter, baby. So tire status. So I'll give you all the statuses right there on the dash system, right?
Yeah, and you can customize that too.
Okay.
To your liking. Oil pressure, all different types of it.
Watch out, baby. I'm making it right here, right?
Yeah. Right.
Woo, wait, 75, baby. That thing's smooth as butter, baby. Sheesh. Goodness gracious, you dogging out competition, baby. They don't even know I'm back there. They like, yo, where that boy go at? Sheesh. We back to Lombardi, right? We passed Lombardi?
Yeah.
I was so hyped I passed Lombardi. I'm gonna make it right the next right, bro.
No, it's cool. Take it all the way down to the light.
Take that bang the right.
And then bang the right.
Man, it's strong. Butter. Everybody out there, man. This thing butter. Go ahead, I'm listening.
It's not, the background is, all right, I see. All right, there we go. All right, we clear now. We crystal clear now.
This thing is a beast, man. This thing is a beast of a beast. You hear me? Sheesh.
So, Reef, the viewers want to know, man, because we see you doing all of these car reviews and everything. Like,
right.
How you so connected to so many successful black brothers, man? What's your secret, man? What's your secret?
Man, the secret is, man. The secret, it ain't no secret, man. I got friends, man, and they just want to beam. They want to hunt it. That's pretty much all that is, man. They want to hunt it, and I'm reviewing the cars. You know, they got a lot more stock for me, if that's the right word. They got a lot more stock for me, and we're gonna keep these reviews coming, man. So I appreciate all my friends out there and all the people out there that's, you know, allowing me to review their cars, you know, review these beautiful machines, you know, these $100,000 machines, because that's what the people want to see.
That's what they want to see, man. And you're a genuine dude, man. So you gonna get the people what they need.
Let me get what y'all need. We're gonna keep it coming. We're gonna keep it genuine. We're gonna keep it crispy.
For sure. And it's right. Right at the light.
Right at the light. This joint worth every penny, man. This car worth every penny, you hear me? For sure. Sheesh. Bringing it out, man, it's worth it. And the handling is immaculate. The handling is immaculate, you hear me?
Get in your right lane.
All right. going straight?
Yeah.
And then making a turn where?
On Upland.
On Upland, okay.
Yeah, so it's gonna be coming up.
Coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, this worth every penny, ladies and gentlemen. Every single penny. The handling is nice. The steering is nice.
This next right.
Right, okay.
Yeah, up and right here. Whoa, whoa.
We good?
I'll be bitching. I'll be bitching.
Ooh,
My bad.
it's all good though, baby. It's a $100,000 machine, baby. You worked hard for this thing, man. I'm gonna let you back it in though, cause
All right.
you way more crispy than me. But this thing is worth every penny. You hear me? It's worth every single penny. See, you push the park button. Oh my God, it's so crispy. And look, that's what I'm getting in right there. That's what I'm getting in when I get out of here. You understand? Sheesh.
Oh man.
That's what I'm getting in. But we gonna keep it real, cause I'm gonna step my game up, baby. We all gonna step our game up, man. Don't worry about it, baby.
For sure.
Let's go. That's the record button, man.